In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Google Sheets to Jotform. This is a great way to streamline data collection, making it incredibly convenient to store and analyze responses in one cohesive spreadsheet. Whether you're managing signups, customer feedback, or survey responses, this integration will surely make your workflow more efficient. Let's start by logging into Jotform. Head over to the Jotform website and enter your credentials to get logged in. Once you're in, navigate to the specific form you want to connect with Google Sheets. It's important to select the correct form, especially if you've got several on your account, so take a moment to double check that you've opened the right one. After you've accessed your form, click on the Settings option located in the top menu of the Jotform interface. This will take you to the Settings page where you can manage various aspects of your form. On the left sidebar, you'll find an option labeled Integrations. Click on it to see all available integrations for your form. Now, in the search bar on the Integrations page, type Google Sheets to quickly locate this option. Once it appears in the list, click on the Google Sheets integration to proceed with connecting your form. At this stage, you'll need to authenticate the connection between Jotform and Google Sheets. To do this, click on Authenticate or Connect. This will prompt you to sign in with your Google account, so go ahead and enter your Google credentials. You'll also need to grant Jotform access to your Google Drive to facilitate the integration. Be assured that this is necessary to transfer form submissions to your Google Sheets automatically. Next, you have to decide whether you want to create a new spreadsheet or use an existing one for storing your Jotform data. If you opt to create a new sheet, Jotform will usually set the spreadsheet's name based on your form's title. This can be a handy feature for maintaining order and clarity across your documents. Additionally, you will want to ensure that all your form fields are correctly mapped to the columns in your spreadsheet. Jotform typically handles this automatically, but it's always a good idea to give it a quick review to confirm everything is in place. Once you've completed the setup, click on Complete Integration to finish connecting your form to Google Sheets. To verify that everything is working correctly, it's a good idea to perform a quick test. Submit an entry through your form and then check your Google Sheets to ensure that the data has appeared as expected. And there you have it. Your Jotform is now successfully linked to Google Sheets, and you can begin collecting and organizing data more efficiently than ever before. This integration truly simplifies managing your form responses, allowing you to focus on more important tasks.